Hi guys, thanks for coming back to my crafty corner. I am in my new little crafty area. As you see, I have already started to do what you can probably see is going to be an Easter basket made out of a Dollar Tree basket, Dollar Tree ribbon, and it's pool noodle. So what I'm doing is, you see, I started with just hot gluing the top one, and then I weaved these two in, and now I'm weaving in this third one. And I went ahead and started this because it would not take so long on camera. So I am just taking my ribbon and weaving it in and out. And how I've seen that you're going to really want to find a ribbon with the wire in it. It seems like it helps it better. I did just get these Dollar Tree ones that I found there at the Dollar Tree. I did not really look to see if they actually had any Easter one. I have not seen any Easter ribbon, and I just thought this would be cute. And I'm making this to go outside in my garden that I'm gonna be hopefully putting together an Easter garden. And so I just thought this would be cute out there. I have a fake plant tree I think I'm gonna put out there in this, and maybe, or I don't know, or just sit it out there with and fill it up with some eggs or something, some fake eggs. But yeah, you just take it. I'm just weaving it in and out. So far I have only used 2 rolls of the 6 or 9 foot from the Dollar Tree. So, and then your pool noodle, and so your pool noodle is $1.25. Your 2 rolls of the ribbon is $1.25 each. So it's $2.53. I'm horrible at math, just doing it right out my head, so I might have it wrong, you know. And then your basket is another $1.25. I already have the hot glue on hand, and I'm sorry if you hear my family in the background. They're playing on their game system, and Lizzie just got home, so they're excited. Sean has his boys here this weekend. We love having them here. They have so much fun. They're playing on their game system their dad bought them. So yeah, we're just having a nice family time here at home. I thought I would just tell you guys a little bit that's been going on, nothing much. I did start another church. I loved the church I was going to. I really did. My fiance and I decided that we really wanted to try out this other church in another town, and we're really loving it. We're loving the pastor and his wife, and we're just having a really good time there. And you're just going to try to keep it a little bit tight so you can have less excess on ribbon and not have to waste so much ribbon either. And I'm trying to go fast, and I know my setup is not very good. For some reason, after the wedding, my treadmill, or my little tread pod, or whatever you want to call it, lost the thingy for the phone. And as you can see, my hair is a mess. I just threw it in a bun, and then we're in my it's a coffee clock shirt sweater that my husband bought me. We both love coffee, but he's obsessed with coffee. I thought I was obsessed with coffee, but he's really obsessed with it. And anyway, this is if you have like a movie that you're been watching, or a you know, just anything like that you're just been watching, it's a good time to pop it on and sit there and watch it. I was doing Great Anatomies, but I kind of slowed down on it. I'm totally into 911s, both of those. I think it's 911 and then 911 Los Angeles or something like that. Oh, Longhorn. I think it's Longhorn. That one's got Grace in it, and I really like Grace. She is a good girl. I like that girl. And then Maddie is in the other one, and I like her too. These are both of the 911 ladies. And they're both married to different firefighters. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. These guys are loud. They're having a good time. I don't know what they're playing now. They were playing Wipeout. Yeah, so you can see it didn't take me very long, and there's what it looks like. And you can see I have a little bit here. So I thought I have some rope left over from my wedding. I wonder. Sorry, I have some rope left here from my wedding, and I thought, you know what I need to make is a sign that says "Don't come in recording." That's what I need to make me. So let's see here. Where did I start? Haha, right here. So let's put a little bit of hot glue on this and just set it right there. And then we'll use the clipper to hold it. You may want to, if you're going to use the rope, you might want to use 2 of them. I'm just going to do the one. And you're just weaving it through too. Weave it right on through. It's catching. I don't know how many feet. This is an 11-foot one. So if you can go 2 times around with this one, I would do that, or get 2 and maybe go around. And this one likes to get all, oh, look what I did. And you have to watch that too. This is not the first time I've done this. Watch which one you go through. So there we go. So it's the weekend here. I do have to work though tomorrow. I work on Saturdays, but I get Mondays off, so that's good. There, you'll learn how to, you know, after you get it going, you'll get it going as good as you want it to go for you. Yeah, see how good that's starting to look? And you could pull it up a little bit, maybe do a little dot of hot glue somewhere, or even put an extra little knot in there. Whew, it's kind of warm in my room. I don't even have my little pot stove going. Yeah, this right here is just a nice little relaxing thing here you can do. Yeah. So anyway, this is kind of what it looks like. I still have almost a half a basket to go. Oh, where did it go? I feel like I'm trying to find the snake head. I went to the Dollar Tree. I did not do a Dollar Tree haul on this, getting this stuff for the basket. I do have another idea coming up I want to try, but tomorrow when I get home from work, I really want to try to clean up my front yard and try to get some stuff done up in the yard. I want to put this basket out. I wish I had some of that water spray. It would be good. If you're gonna put this outside. Every time I think I may not have enough, and then I look inside and I see how much rope I still have left, and I'm thinking, oh, maybe I do. I seen Bethany, I can't think of her last name. She do this one, and there's a couple of other ones I want to do that she's done with hula hoops. That I want to do with hula hoops, and I think that would be cute. She's made like chandeliers with hula hoops, and I really want to do that outside. Stand that up in one of my trees, or I've got glue now on my new. I need to fix this area and have this, because I wanted to have this side here as my crafting side. And so when you look at me, I want to kind of get it where it's hanging down or something. So here we go. We only got a couple more loops to go. We might make it. Yeah, see, it's a good thing I decided to go ahead and do some of this before. And you know, you could probably even take this right here and go through right here too, if you really wanted to. Or even the thinner one. This is the thicker one that they have. They do have the thinner ones. Oh, I just got another idea that would be kind of fun. It would take forever. I'll have to kind of play with that idea that it just popped in my head and see if I can get it done. And you can turn a really cute basket like this, and just to a cute little basket for clothing and stuff. I just thought of it. Or toys or blankets, because you know how some people like to take their blankets and put them in baskets by the couch. Okay, yeah guys, I have quite a bit of rope left. So I'm at the end here. I had this right here just kind of clipped to hold the not very good with using lighters, but I think I'm gonna, if I can find my lighter. It's in here somewhere. There it is. I think I'm gonna try to. No, that didn't work very good. Actually, I think that made it worse. Okay, so now I'm just gluing the rest of this to one of these little things here to keep it out of sight. Then we'll use one of these clippies to hold that, to let that dry. So here is the front of the basket. It's supposed to be like this, but I'm gonna have it like this because I kind of, that's it. Okay, so then you just take the noodle and then you put it in like this. And then you'll want to take your ribbon and kind of go around the pool noodle. And you might want to secure your pool noodle. Or you might want to get a different, you know, I've seen white pool noodles, I think around Christmas time. And so you might want to stock up on different color pool noodles. But that is how I'm going to do mine. I do have a ribbon, so you can take the ribbon and go around it, or even rope, or spray paint it even if you really wanted to. But I am just going to leave it as this with you guys. And if you want to secure it so you can actually use it as a real basket for one of your kids for Easter hunting, you can take and put zip ties around it. I had some, so I didn't pick any more up. I must have used them all up for the wedding. So yeah, anyway, there is your Easter basket. I do not have anything to fill it up right now. I did this kind of just on the whim. I hope you guys like it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and a like, a share, and I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Like always, God bless you and have a great day.